Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you checked out my last video, you will see that I re-dyed my hair. It was an epic fail, but it still turned out pretty cute. So I'm not gonna trip about that. So today I'm getting my hair done. My mom's gonna do my hair. She's gonna put a protective style in. I'm gonna get a crochet. And I just washed out the hair mask I put in last night. I slept in it overnight. And I just washed it out. Now it's all nice and soft and everything, nice and moisturized. So I'm gonna do my Loc Method. And you already know the products that I'm about to use. It's my leave-in conditioner, Garnier Fruity Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioner. This is like, I love it. And it's only like $3.99, $4.99 at Walmart, Family Dollar, wherever you wanna go. And then I'm gonna use my hair oil, Do Grow Mega Thick Formula. This is also an affordable brand. This was like $5.99. And then I'm gonna use the Main Choice Sealing Cream. Now this one was like $16.99. I like this product, but I wanna find an affordable product because $16.99 for some hair products, I think that's too much. And I want a sealing cream. So if you know a good sealing cream for natural hair, let me know in the comment box, okay? So, like I said, I'm getting a crochet done, a protective style. My mom is gonna do it. She is not a licensed beautician. She does not do hair. She don't do anything. She just do my hair, her hair, and the family's hair. Just a mom that know how to do a little razzle dazzle. Now my mom, like I said, she is not a licensed beautician or anything like that. She, you know how when you go to the salon or you book with somebody who is licensed and in their bio it says specializing in natural hair. And then when you book with them or when you finally, the day of your appointment, they be like, make sure your hair is blow dried out, straightened, don't put no product in your hair, blah, blah, blah. And you be like, I thought you specialize in natural hair. You should know how to do natural hair without having my hair straight and all that stuff. So my mom does not blow dry my hair out. She does not straighten my hair before braiding it. And you see how much product I'm putting in my hair? I hate when I go to the hair salon and they only put this amount of product in my hair before braiding it. That's it. And I'm like, anywho. So yeah, she does not straighten my hair. She doesn't use no gels, no jams, no edge control to braid my hair. And I'm like, what's up with these people who be like, they specialize in natural hair, need all this stuff. You don't need no gel or no edge control to braid natural hair. All your hair needs to be is moisturized and detangled, and you are good to go. Make sure you see how much product I put in my hair, because I like my hair to be nice and moisturized, because I keep my hair, Lord, what is wrong with me? I keep my protective styles in for like a month, and I need my hair to be right, nice and moisturized and healthy underneath it. Now when I have protective styles in for that long, you know, I still maintain my hair underneath it. I do vinegar rinses for my scalp. I still wash my protective styles, whether it's a crochet, box braids, knotless box braids. I still wash them, like. But you know, with black girl hair, you don't really have to. You don't have to wash your hair every week for it to, you know, be. You know, you just make sure you put some product in it. They got vinegar rinses and stuff like that. Just maintain your hair. And there you go. Finish with my Loc Method, nice and moisturized. So I'll see you when I get to my mom's house.
Travel down the road, back again. Your heart is true. You're the power and the confidant.
not even alert. This is my show. Okay. I'm recording. You're embarrassing me. Hey guys. So as you can see, she started on my hair. Look, didn't have to blow dry it out. Didn't have to straighten it. Nothing. So check your beautician and let them know like why I got to straighten my hair to get my hair done. You should know how to do natural hair, sis. Okay, so the hair I'm using is the same hair I used last time. If you check my Instagram or check my other videos, I'm using the Lulu Tress 3 times the hair drip curl in the color 613 platinum blonde, because who I'm feeling like, girl, you know I like the blonde hair. So yes, you need 3 packs of these to make it nice and full. It comes with 3 times the hair, and it is what, let me see how, 20 inches. Yes, drip curl. Lulu Tress, sponsor me. Yes. All right guys, my mom finished my braid pattern. It took her about an hour to do, which is like a world record, because it usually takes her 10 hours and 22 minutes to do. Like, girl, why it take you so long? Like she doing some box braids or something. So here's my braid pattern. Yes, too cute. And you know, she did not have to blow dry or straighten my hair. My hair is nice and moisturized. I'm trying to show you the back. Let me see. All right, guys, so here's the back. Look, I'm mad short, so I'm trying to tippy toe. So here's the back. You can see the braid pattern. And I always like a middle part. I only do middle parts because I'll be feeling Beyonce-ish. Okay? All right, so stay tuned.
I don't want this career to end before it starts.
Yeah, you think. Just don't know what you want me to do here.
Bring him into intelligence. I would think of it as a personal favor, Pink.
That team's handpicked by me.
You realize I can just assign him to intelligence today.
What else can you do?
Absolutely nothing. Nothing.
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Expertly tailored eye care, state-of-the-art eye exams, high-quality lenses and
Okay,
frames.
there's no way for you
Because
to
every
touch
time we do
it
lens
without
captures is for every sight
being
that
seen.
makes your life
We
special.
must ask ourselves this question. Was it an inside job? Want people to know about the safe house at CPD. Not to mention, they speed patrol by 2 minutes.
Almost halfway.
I think the safest thing is we keep this between us.
Hey guys, we are finally done. Ow. Who I'm feeling like Lil Kim. Wanna rumble with the beat, huh? So yes, with my middle part, yes, nice and thick, nice and full. Put some mousse on it to tame it a little bit. And this is what I have left. This little bit, this is what I have left. And it's only $7.99 a pack. Remember, you only need 3 packs, and it comes with 3 times the hair. Alright? So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe. Deuces.